Hey, what's up, y'all? So, I got some good news here. I have just finished the year-long master plan calendar. Yep, and I got it available. It's in the link below. Go down to the description box, and then I have a link there for you. You can go and download it or however it works. I haven't even tried it yet. I got it hooked up. Like I told you guys before, I'm not super tech savvy. I figured this out on my own. So hopefully this works, okay? So it's cool. It's pretty cool. So I want to do a quick overview of it, and we're going to hop into my computer, and I'm going to just show you how I put this thing together. So the one that I used was very much old. Okay. It was just caveman. I just wrote down on a notebook. I just had whatever, and it worked for me. I always used it. I just had it in my binder, and I would just always refer back to it every time of the year, like clockwork. But I put this thing together. It looks nice. No cost to you. It's free. You just download it and then you can use it. And then I think for these next few weeks and months, maybe even months, I don't know. But we'll go through this calendar and we'll talk about products to sell during what times, tutorials, how to brainstorm ideas, how to price them. We'll talk about all of these things. But for now, let's hop in my computer and then we'll just take a look at it really quick. This is the cover of it. It's not really a book. I guess some people will call this an ebook or a checklist or whatever, but this is your calendar. So I just put a quick little name on it: official, unofficial, holidays, occasions, and events. That's exactly what's going to be in it. So let's turn the page. Up there I say holidays to sell. This is based off of what's in the USA. Now, I don't know, like we can just go through the whole thing if you want, so it won't take very long. We got New Year's Day, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, National Pie Day. And you know what? As we go through it, I'm just going to stop a few times, and then we'll just kind of talk about what could be done during these holidays. So, for instance, National Pie Day. There are people, and I don't know if you're aware of this or not, but when you think of a holiday and you think, gosh, is there really anyone actually celebrating that holiday? Well, the news is yes, there are probably millions of people celebrating that holiday. Fortunately for us. So, National Pie Day, you could do all types of things. You could make pie earrings. You can make a pie ornament. You can make a funny pie sign to go in the bathroom, or pie sign to go in the kitchen. Man, we can just do so much with this. And if you're doing print on demand, you can make a pie shirt, which a print on demand is very easy. I kind of briefly brought that up the other day. I actually have an ad running for print on demand right now for football. But anyways, a pie. There's plenty of things to do with pie. So, Groundhog Day. I don't know. Haven't thought too much about that one. Haven't sold anything for that. But here we go. Think of this. Groundhog Day. Now, you know how there's those groups of people and they're passionate about certain animals? Like there's people passionate about the bees, passionate about cats, dogs. I'm sure there are people passionate about groundhogs. So then you would make a Groundhog Day sign or earring or necklace pendant or a bracelet or something. And if, like I said, print on demand, a Groundhog Day shirt. Whatever it is to do with a groundhog, make it funny or loving, and then market it to that group of people on Facebook. I guarantee you right now, if you go on Facebook and you type in groundhog lovers, there's probably a group of groundhog lovers on there. I'm not even joking. Now, Super Bowl Sunday, huge in America. You guys all know that. Super Bowl Sunday. So, you know, like I said, the Ohio State-Michigan game that happens every year, and I sold an ornament to go on a Christmas tree, and it said, Michigan victorious 2023. Somebody bought that ornament for $30, and they paid $5 in shipping. So, I don't know, like the sky is the limit with this stuff. Valentine's Day, we know how big that can be. You can make so much stuff. Valentine's Day box, Valentine's Day cards, hearts, and just all types of things. You can do so much with this. And then earrings. Of course, I showed you. Here, here's one style earring that we made. Has this little white heart. The top has this red half circle, I guess, with this heart cut out, and it's stud, stainless steel. Sold those on Valentine's Day. All right. So, anyways, let's move on. President's Day, Black History Month, Mardi Gras, St. Patrick's Day. You can make clovers, 3-leaf clovers, preferably 4-leaf clovers. People would love that. National Puppy Day, same thing. Do something with a dog. Women's History Month. Oop. April Fool's Day. You can do something very funny with that. Easter. We did we sold some things to a school who it was called name tags. What do we call those? Basket name tags. Like Easter basket name tags. That's what it was. So you know how we have Christmas stocking tags? Well, we made Easter basket name tags. And we made 2 different rabbits, whether a male or female rabbit. The female had a bow. The male had a bow tie. And then there was a carrot attached to the ear. And on the carrot had personalized the child's name. So those were big sellers. Keep doing that. Okay. Patriots Day, Tax Day, Cinco de Mayo. Mother's Day. Mother's Day is a big one. So, you can do all types of personalized signs. Our biggest one, our most favorite one, is a sign. It's about, I think it's 6 by 10 or 8 by 12, one of them. And it says mom on it. And then it says a quote underneath it. And then it says like the children's name underneath it. Just something nice and simple. And then one of them that we do like that, we add a photo too. So there's so many things. I'm telling you, people love this stuff. And you know it. You already know it. You're in business too. So Star Wars Day. Did you know that May the 4th, and look at this, Star Wars Day. May the 4th. Get it? It's May the Force. May the 4th. Yeah, so whatever. I didn't know this was a holiday. Star Wars. That's how big that franchise got. So Juneteenth, Father's Day, same thing as Mother's Day. Make something special, make something cool. Oh, right here, July. 3rd Sunday in July. So National Ice Cream Day. Just like National Pie Day, this would be an awesome opportunity. Great opportunity. People love ice cream. I don't know which one I like more, pie or ice cream. I don't know. It's a toss-up. I'd probably choose pie. But yeah, National Ice Cream Day. You can make a shirt. You can make earrings. Oh, you can make so much stuff. You can make a journal. You can make a watch, necklace, pendant, hats. Just so much stuff. Okay. Next. Labor Day, Patriot Day, National Hispanic Heritage Month. Talk like a pirate Day. I forgot about that one. Yeah. So I never done anything with that one, but that one just always cracked me up because it's not even just Pirate Day. It's Talk Like a Pirate Day. So you have to talk like a pirate, so give me the booty type shit. National Coffee Day. National Coffee Day. That's a big one. Oh my gosh, that'd be so good. That reminds me. Right here. This is our pumpkin spice latte stud earring for the coffee lovers out there. And we sold this. I don't think we sold this for National Coffee Day, but has a pumpkin on it. And that's one of those gas station coffee cups. So anyways. Oh, and stainless steel stud because it's, doesn't break your ear out or whatever. Okay, Indigenous People Day, Halloween, of course, Halloween. Let's see what we got here. Halloween. All right, let's not dig in there anymore. Halloween, you know what to make on Halloween. Pumpkins, ghosts, wolves, vampires, Dracula, bats, stuff like that. Alaska Day. Oops, that one's only in Alaska. I mean, it's Alaska Day. I didn't know. You know, they may be the only state that has their own holiday, whatever. So Veterans Day, Thanksgiving, we know, pumpkins, turkeys, pilgrims, Indians, I don't know. Like Friday, Small Business Saturday. Now for Small Business Saturday, it's a Saturday after Thanksgiving. For that one, you don't have to make anything really specific for this. Just do a sale. Have a sale on your Small Business Saturday. Do like a buy one, get one half off, or a buy two, get one free, or just whatever it is, or just mark your prices down or something. Whatever it is. Or do a giveaway. If you do a giveaway, you'll grow your audience even more. Whatever it is, Small Business Saturday. You can take advantage of so much of this stuff. Okay, so Hanukkah, Christmas, obviously. Got all your Christmas stuff. Christmas is our biggest sellers, obviously. Got your ornaments. You definitely want to do the ornaments. Kwanzaa. All right, so then after the official holidays, we have here on the right side, I got it broken down in seasons: winter, spring, summer, fall, and then just a few things within there. And it gives you like a time. It doesn't give you a date, but it gives you a time period. Okay. So like New Year's resolutions period, you can do, and I'm telling you, you can do so much with this New Year's resolution period. You can create, So if you're doing print on demand, you could do all types of planners and trackers and workout sheets and checklists and things like that. You can do so much stuff. And I keep bringing up print on demand because we've put our laser away for this month. Okay, so like I told you in the previous video, I do print on demand when I'm not using my laser. And I mean, the print on demand stuff sells all year long, but I just ramp it up more. I start adding products. I start doing more and whatever. It's easy. So Super Bowl weekend, Valentine's Day, Valentine's shopping and dining, winter clearance sales, spring break. There's just so much stuff that you can do with this wedding season. Oh, just make sure you dive into this wedding season. People spend so much money on weddings. It's wild. Just get you a piece of that pie. No pun intended. Summer vacation season, back to school, 4th of July. Yeah, there's just so much. I'm not gonna read through all of it. Last page here, year-round or cross-seasonal events. You just read on through there. We got some sports stuff, concerts, school fundraisers, which you should be having. You should be the one holding those fundraisers. All right, making that money. Halloween shopping and decor, early holiday sales, last-minute holiday shopping. Oh, the last-minute holiday shopping. You could charge a premium to get stuff done for people quickly. Just telling you that now. Flu shot season, spring forward and fall back. So, anyways, I asked in that video if you guys wanted this. I've seen a lot of you did want this, so I just wanted to put it together and get it made, and now you have it for free. You can just go ahead down in the description box. There should be a link. By the time you're seeing this video, there's going to be a link there, and then you'll just click on that link and it should take you to some sort of a landing page. So then you'll download it. So anyways, if you have any questions, comment below. Let me know how you like the calendar. Let me know what you want to see in the future, and also let me know how I can help you with this. Look at any of these holidays. You know what? Let's do this. Let's do this. For the people that stayed to this point in the video, I want you to download this calendar and then look through the calendar and then pick any one of these topics. You're going to pick any one of these topics and then comment it below to let me know what you want me to make a video of and how we're together going to make money on that topic when it comes. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.